So some outdoor plants for home entrance is English ivy. So you can see the structure of the leaf which looks like pentagonal. Okay, and they can hang from anywhere, right? They can hang from anywhere, and on the door or nearby on the window. Okay. So another one house outdoor plant for home entrance, it's boxwood topiary. So it looks somewhat like this boxwood topiary, growing in kind of, you can make any shape out of it. Another outdoor plant for home entrance is petunia, which we have already told could be grown in the garden or at the home entrance. Next is the umbrella tree. So this requires a bit of shade and you can prune it according to the shape you want. Next is bird of paradise. It adds a little tropical look and it will give a feel to your entrance. It grows in the shade or in sunlight. It grows in both ways. It's a bird of paradise.